Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word Podgers. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. Sorry, but Podgers does not appear to be a valid English word. It may be a proper noun or a made-up word with no defined meaning in the English language. Podgers is a term that does not have a commonly recognized definition in the English language. It may be a made-up or slang word with no specific meaning. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.